Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this little railroad tanker so that you can attach it to all of your Lego trains. So now, let's take it apart so I can show you how to build it. Four pairs of wheels, which each have a little jumper, a 2x2 jumper on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 2x2 inverted pieces that are slopes. 1, 2 2x2 slopes. 1, 2 2x4 slopes. 1, 2 more red 2x4 slopes. 1, 2, 3, 4 2x4s, and the fifth one, 1, 2 2x10s. So now that I've shown you all the pieces, let's get started with building. So first, you'll need one 2x10 and your sets of wheels. Next, we'll be using this 2x4 piece that is flat because I intentionally didn't mention because we would be using it right now. And this is the only one we're going to be using. So now you have a little place to walk on and also a place for your minifigs to stand on. Next, on one side, place all of your colors onto the train car. Do the same for the other side for the same colors. Like this. Looks flat, but it's not really a train car. So, let's keep on going to make it a train car. So stack your 2x4s on top like this. And then put your 2x4 slope pieces on top. In this shape. Flip it around and do the same thing with your red ones. Now we have little spaces, so we'll use our little 2x2 slopes and we'll fit them in the middle like this. I just do it in this pattern because it looks nice. Last but not least, we'll place our last 2x10 on top. And that's how you make a little train car. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share all your friends. Goodbye!